Hi, I'm Steve Dance. For those that don't know, I'm the MD of RMD. I've got some fantastic news for everybody today. We've just heard that we've been awarded the Queen's Award for Enterprise for 2010 for international trade in the UK. It's an absolutely amazing award. It's very prestigious. It's been awarded to us by the Queen on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you who's contributed to this fantastic achievement. It's a real team effort, I think, and we've had success throughout the world over the last number of 5 or 6 years. And I think that you can all be very proud that we've won this. And this is just to say a fantastic thank you for all your efforts, and hope it goes well in the future. We've been an international leading formwork supplier for many, many years, since the 1940s, and we've really taken off in the last 6 or 7 years or so, particularly through growth in new territories in the Middle East and through new products. And through the efforts of our people, we've become one of the leading formwork suppliers, particularly in the civil engineering environment in the world. Our parent at Interserve have been very supportive of us and have given us the opportunity to invest in new equipment, new fleet, new capex to go into these new markets, and particularly by identifying specific growth target markets, particularly in the Middle East, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain and now Saudi Arabia. We've taken full advantage of the market and we've been very successful. One of our most significant businesses is in Australia, where we've been since the 1950s. And again, we are the leading formwork supplier there. We're the #1 in the market. We have 17 branches, and it's an absolutely world-class performance there. And very, very professionally managed, full of good people, where we give them empowerment and power to take decisions locally. And we are the dominant player in the industry and done fantastically well. And I think it's that using that philosophy of decentralisation, giving people the ability to take decisions, that we can make good decisions and good offers to our customers and win business everywhere in the world. Our philosophy with regard to markets is to do it on a bespoke basis. So the market in Spain, for example, is a very different market to ours in the UK or even to the Middle East. In Spain, we have specialised in 2 market segments, in large viaducts or bridges, sophisticated concrete structures, and in facade retention. And over a number of years, we have developed a leading position in those 2 market segments, and we actually erect, and we are a contractor really, in Spain, and that's a very different model to many of the other operations worldwide. Just because we don't have the same model in different countries doesn't mean that we don't follow the same philosophy. We have the same empowerment with the same entrepreneurial culture. We just have to have different processes and different controls in different places, and we're successful in different sectors in different areas. So we might be successful in facade retention in Spain, but not have very much facade retention in the Middle East, for example, where we specialise in a lot of other different types of project and product. It's very important to understand your customer, and to do that, it's very often necessary for us to partner with existing companies in that territory. We've had that model in the Middle East for a very long time, and we have a local partner in each of the territories there, in Bahrain, in Dubai, in Saudi, in Qatar and in Oman. And in the US, we have a strategic partnership with a partner there who's an existing distributor of formwork products, who have their own distribution channels and their own knowledge about the market. And we brought extra engineering and product skills, and with their local knowledge, we created a very successful partnership. And that just shows the ability, I think, of RMD to fit culturally with a lot of different types of markets and philosophically with a lot of different types of markets around the world. We have a global reach. We can deliver projects in whatever territory we wish. We have established operations in about 17 territories. But those places, those geographies where we don't have an established operation, we can still deliver a good service and a good product to our customer through our export sales and through our export project teams, who quite often send people on site to oversee and to liaise with the customer in the middle of Libya, off of Sakhalin Island in the Soviet Union, or even in Algeria. There's no easy answer to the engineering expertise. It's basically experience, knowledge and intelligence, I think. We take the best people and we try and use those people in our best projects, and we build up a corporate knowledge base that could be shared around the business. We have some important data sharing networks that we can share information between Australia and the Middle East and the UK and elsewhere. And we have very rigorous training programs for our engineering staff. We take personal development very seriously indeed in RMD. We spend a lot of money and time on people, and it's really those people that have given the success of RMD in the long term, and we've got a very good history in that, and I think we're trying to become the place that people would want to work at. We're obviously well known for our world-class, very high-profile projects, but we also have lots of bread and butter projects. We service customers from the very small to the very large, and you never know when a small customer is going to become your next large customer. It's about giving a good service to everybody, because you never know when your next high-profile customer is going to come along with a big project. And we've got a very good track record in customer service worldwide. We can help a customer become more program effective. We can cut the cost and cut the time required to deliver a specific project. And that's our aim. Our aim is to help the customer get there quicker in a more safe and effective manner. And we aim to be the best in class. There's been a revolution in our methods of communicating with customers and the market. We've embraced the new technology. We've invested a lot in our core brand and our core RMD Kwikform.com, which we've used as a sort of hub for people coming into RMD, and then we've obviously branched out into RMD Kwikform.tv and our online formula magazine as well. So we're trying to take advantage of all those different types of communication methods, because I think any positive message that we can get out there, any experience that we can give to our customers will help the brand and help promote us to be top of mind. 2009 was a record year for us, coming off the back of some very important projects in the Middle East. The Queen's Award is for international trade, and we have, as you see, a global business where 80% of our turnover is overseas, outside of the UK. We've increased that 185% in the last 6 years, with £150 million turnover outside of the UK. So as you can see, it's been a phenomenal success. And we think this is a fantastic achievement. It's one of the most prestigious industrial awards in the UK. We want to use this award to give our customers some more insight into RMD and some more reasons to come to us. We also want to celebrate the use of the award to congratulate our employees, because without them this award obviously wouldn't have been won. And I think it's a true testament to the quality of the people that we have in our company, and it makes me very proud to be able to be the managing director and represent those people to collect this award, which we will be doing in the near future.